Hey everyone. Okay, so evidently some students are now running into some issues with replit, where replit has a maximum number of hours you can spend in it with the free plan. So here's a couple workarounds. I mean, one is obviously you can pay the $7 a month for the paid replit subscription. Another one is you can choose Visual Studio Code. So if you want to go into your replit, you can click on this dot menu and download a zip, and this will take all the files in your replit and download it to your computer. And once it's downloaded, then you can download and install a program called Visual Studio Code if you already have it. And Visual Studio Code is an editor that you can use for a lot of different types of files. And the way that you'll work with a website project is you're just modifying the HTML as like a plain text file with Visual Studio Code. So you're not going to open it like Visual Studio. Instead, you're going to say File, Open Folder. I guess in this Start menu down here. And you're going to actually open the folder where your source code resides. So I'm just going to say Select Folder. And then you'll see all of the HTML files in a menu on the left. And in order to view the files, then different, slightly different template than what we use for the class, but you can right click and say copy path, and then go into your web browser and go directly to the file. And this is kind of how we would write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now I'm going to click on left click on that one in HTML, and I can make a change. So let me see. I'm not sure if I remember the instructions, but it'd be say I added some HTML in there. Or let's do it with JavaScript. So I'll say document rate line. And save it. And then so basically you're just going to save the HTML document and then flip back to your browser and refresh the page, and you'll see the change. So a little more traditional way of development than the online IDE replit. And you're also welcome to pay the $7 a month. The nice part about replit is it's easier to share with me, so I can jump right into your code. And then in terms of submitting to D2L Brightspace, I will take uploaded files for the week, and I will also take GitHub. If you want to upload your files to GitHub, that'd be great as well. So I hope this helps. I'm sorry about replit that we're having some problems with it. And if you have any questions, like you can't get to your files or something, reach out to me. I can help hopefully solve the problem or give you credit for what you lost and whatnot. Okay, thanks.